Come test drive the 2015 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, Inside you'll find smart device integration, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.